Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video, this is a quick video that I want to do to show you guys how to fix something. So let's say you are trying to update your plugins or you are trying to do something on your website, and then all of a sudden you have this kind of briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. Now I want to show you how you can be able to fix this one. Okay, now first of all, make sure that you can be able to log into your cPanel, right? Because we're going to go into the cPanel to be able to disable whatever thing that is causing this thing to happen. Because there is a maintenance file in the cPanel in the root of your website that is causing this one to happen. Because anytime you try to update your plugins or update your themes, WordPress give or automatically generate a maintenance file in the cPanel for you, or in your root file for you. So we're going to go over there to solve this one. So let's quickly go over there. So first of all, make sure that you can be able to log into your cPanel, right? And then locate where your file manager is. So we're going to go straight to the file manager, and then we will be able to go into our root folder. So I'm going to go and then locate where my root folder is, and then you see this one, this particular file over here, which says .maintenance, right? That is the one causing the problem right now. So what we're going to do is, now let's go back over here and then let me refresh the website, so you know that nothing happens. You can't get access to anything that you want to get, right? So what you want to do is you want to come over here and then just try and then just rename it. So I'm going to add 1 to it. Okay, I'm just going to add 1 to it and then save it, right? So let me just refresh or reload the page, and then you see. Okay, so let me just add 1 and then click on enter, and then you see this is what this one over here. So it means that the maintenance is no more working. It has been disabled because I've changed the name over there. Okay, so if I come over here and I refresh it right now, the website is supposed to be working perfectly for me, and as you can see, it is working perfectly for me right now. And that is how you can be able to solve whatever issue that says briefly under maintenance and all those kind of stuff. So after that, you can go ahead and delete this one. I'm going to delete it, and I am good to go. So now my website is back to life and I am good to go. That is how you can be able to solve it. This was just a quick tutorial to show you guys how you can be able to solve this particular issue, which says briefly under maintenance or whatever it is. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.